This video will show you how to program your extra support files into AutoCAD. First thing you need to do, click on that. Everything for programming AutoCAD is going to be down here in this button called Options. It's going to bring you to this screen. First thing you do is you start with the tabs. So start on the left. For files, click Support File, Search Path. So in here you can see I already have my fonts done. What I'm going to do is show you that in order for AutoCAD to go find those files, it has to be told to do so. Therefore, you want to pick Add, which gives us a blank line, and then Browse. So if you've already copied all of your files to the correct location in AutoCAD, then go to this, go to Program Files, Autodesk 21, and then here I have Hatch, and you pick Open. And there, now we just told it to go find Hatch. It's already finding fonts. And then you want to go Add, and then you want to pick Browse. And it's lovely that it puts you right back to the beginning. So every single time you have to do this, and take your time and do that. So I already have TC fonts. Trying to think of what was the other one that I was missing. Maybe it was not support. It already looks for support. Anyhow, you get the idea, and anything you want to add here. Oh, it's the plot files. Those are done differently. I'll make a video for that next.